Unlocking the meaning of keystone. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to unravel the mystery behind the term keystone. Not only will you understand its meaning, but you'll also get to know how to use it in everyday conversations. The word keystone has its roots in architecture. In the realm of construction, a keystone is the wedge-shaped stone piece at the apex of a masonry arch. It's the stone that locks all the other stones in place, allowing the arch to bear weight. Because of this central and crucial role, it's called the keystone. In the English language, the term keystone has evolved beyond just architecture. It's used metaphorically to describe something on which other things depend for support. If something is referred to as the keystone, it means that thing is of utmost importance or is the foundation for everything else. For example, trust is the keystone of any strong relationship. To further enhance your understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. The new policy became the keystone of the company's success. 2. For a chef, fresh ingredients are the keystone of a delicious dish. 3. In storytelling, a compelling character is often the keystone that holds the plot together. So, the next time you come across the term keystone, remember it signifies something central, pivotal, and of primary importance. We hope this video shed light on this fascinating term and its significance. Happy learning, and may your vocabulary continue to flourish.